I'm way back here for a reason. We're going to do something called a vowel gesture chant. A gesture is when you do something with your hands, a gesture. This is a gesture. Okay, so we're going to use our hands to feel the difference between short vowels and long, I can't get in the picture here, long vowels. We're going to show the difference between short vowels, really short, boom. We're going to use this, boom, short, boom, short vowel, and long vowels, long vowels. Okay, let's try it. If you want to, you can stand up. I can't stand up here what I'm doing, but if you want to, you can stand up and really, really get into it. Let's try it. So here are two motions. For a short vowel, like ah, we're going to make a fist like this. Ah, ah, ah. For a long vowel, we're going to open our arms and stretch them wide like you're pulling something long like this. Ooh, a, a, a. I'll go way out here. A. Now try both with me now. Try it. Try this. Boom. Short. It's like a punch. Short. And then long. Try long. A. So ah and a. Ah and a. Short punch for ah for the short vowel, and a long punch for a long stretch for the a. So let's start with the short a. First, a punch for ah, 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 ah. Okay? Punch, ah, ah, ah. And then, as in apple, 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 apple. And then the long stretch for the long A, as in, here we go, cake, A. It can go forever. A, cake, 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 cake. Okay, one more time, just you now. Short, apple, ah. Long, cake, cake. Oh, all right, beautiful. Let's continue. Now we're going to try the short E and the long E. This is interesting. Short E, long E. So the short E is like egg, egg, egg. Just egg, egg. And the long A is like B, B. I'm going to go way back. B, B. So egg, B, egg, B. Excellent. This is a good one. We're going to do the short I for its I for insect, insect, or the long one, bike, 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 bike. So insect or bike, bike. It's called a long vowel, I, bike. Let's go to the next one. let's go to, this is the O. O. So the short O is ah, 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 ah. Octopus, 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 octopus. And the long O is O, 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 like in boat, 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 boat. Yeah? So, again, octopus, boat, 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 boat. Nice and round and long. Let's try it for you. Here's the last one. You. So the short is like for the word umbrella. 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 And the long is you, 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 for the word cube, cube, U for cube, or for umbrella. Yeah, try it. You see how it feels. It's great. So that's it. Oh, I know what we're going to do. Here's the fun part, a speed round. So I'll say a word and you do the gesture. Remember, fist for short, stretch for long. Okay, are you ready? Here's the first one. Cake. Yeah, cake. It's a stretch. A, long, A, cake. How about egg? Egg. Egg is egg, egg. How about this one? Bike. Yeah, that's bike, bike, I. It's got the I, bike. One more. How about, I have two more. How about sun? Sun. Yeah, it's the short. Sun. Sun. How about cube? Yeah, cube is cube. You don't have to say it long. You can just say cube, but it's you, cube, cube. How about apple? Apple. Is that short or long? Apple. Yeah, it's apple. Apple. So you can kind of tell the difference by listening to it. Yeah, short or long. Is it apple or is it ace? Yeah, or is it cube or is it cub? Yeah, cub is short, but cube is long. Same word, just a different sound. Okay,